Have you ever needed a logo but didn't want to spend hundreds of dollars on a designer? Normally, creating a professional logo takes time, creativity, and sometimes a big budget. But what if AI could design one for you in seconds?
Welcome to AI Scope, where we take a closer look at the smartest AI tools on the market. I test them, break them down, and show you what's actually worth your time and money. No hype, just real insights. Let's zoom in.
Today we're testing an AI logo generator called Luca. The idea behind Luca is simple. Instead of designing a logo from scratch, the AI creates one based on your preferences. You start by entering your brand name and selecting the type of business you have. For example, let's say we're creating a brand called AI Scope. Next, the platform asks you to choose design styles you like. This helps the AI understand the kind of look you're going for. You can also select colors, icons, and fonts that match your brand identity. Once everything is selected, the AI generates multiple logo designs automatically. And the interesting part is that you don't just get one logo, you get dozens of variations with different layouts, typography, and icons. Some are minimal, some are more creative, and some look surprisingly professional. From here, you can customize the logo further. You can change the font, adjust the colors, swap icons, or modify the layout. This makes it easy to experiment with different designs without needing any design skills. What makes tools like Luca interesting is the speed. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and sketching ideas, the AI generates concepts instantly. Of course, AI-generated logos won't always replace professional designers. If a company needs something very unique or highly detailed, a human designer can still add more creativity and personality. But for startups, small businesses, or content creators who just need a clean and simple logo, AI tools like this can be incredibly useful. They remove a lot of the complexity from the design process and give you a solid starting point. And this reflects a bigger trend we're seeing with AI tools. More and more creative tasks that once required specialized skills are becoming accessible to anyone. With just a few clicks, you can generate designs, videos, websites, and even full brand identities. So the real question is not whether AI can design logos, it's how far AI design tools will evolve in the next few years. But for now, tools like Luca already make logo creation faster and easier than ever. If you enjoy discovering new AI tools like this, consider subscribing for more reviews and breakdowns. And as always, this is AI Scope. No hype, just real insights.